A 2006 Mustang Cervini Eleanor Edition. Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas. In this video, we're going to go over all the equipment that was put on this vehicle. This was a 2006 Ford Mustang GT Premium car that was sent off to Cervini, and they put their Cervini Eleanor kit on this vehicle. Only not too many of these made. In fact, this one was number 8 in the edition for this, and so it's a really rare car that you just don't see everywhere. So let's go ahead and get started and go over all the equipment that was put on this 2006 Ford Mustang. Now, we didn't just put a body kit on this vehicle, so it doesn't have just a Cervini body kit. We also upgraded some things underneath the hood. First thing you're going to notice as you lift the hood is those nice assisted hydraulic struts that are put on it. That makes it a little bit easier to lift this hood up. And then underneath, an all-new 4.6 liter V8 engine was put on this to be able to handle the nitrous kit and the purge valve that was put on this vehicle. So it's going to get 360 horsepower at the rear wheels without the nitrous kit, which is pretty comparable to the 5.0 power levels. And when you add the nitrous kit, you're another 150 horsepower as well. So a lot of power and performance behind this engine and the nitrous kit that I think you'll really like here. So not only is this going to look nice, it's going to perform wonderful. Now, this hood is a custom hood that was put on this by Cervini. Also, you're going to notice, let's go ahead and talk about these stripes. These stripes are painted onto it. So they are not vinyls that are put on it. They are painted underneath that. So just a great look. It's going to go up over the hood, across the top of the vehicle, and then down the back as well. So it just looks great, clear across front to back on this vehicle. Also, you're going to see the front body kit that was put on this vehicle. So great body kit, looks really nice. Fog lights there in the middle, and just a great job on it. They took really good care of it. This has got about 50,000 miles. I didn't mention that yet, but you can see there's not underneath that front spoiler up there, and looks in great condition. They took really good care of it. Now, as we move around to the side, first thing that I want to talk about are these gorgeous wheels. These are the Shelby Eleanor wheels. So they look brand new, and in fact, I think we did order these for this vehicle after we traded for it with brand new tires as well to go along with it. So great looking wheel. I think you're going to like that Shelby brand wheel. Just goes well with this vehicle. Also, you're going to see the side exit exhaust over here with the side skirts. Just a great job on that, and it sounds great. Let me give you just a little clip of what this sounds like. Also on the side over here, you're going to see the side stripe. Now, these are a vinyl side stripe, so you can feel that and those put on, but they did a great job. Looks like they've taken good care of it. I didn't see any nicks or flaking on the side stripe over here. Also, you're going to get a couple different body colored accents over here. You have the side scoop that was painted to match over here on the lower part of this quarter, as well as up here on the quarter louvers, it was put on too, so painted to match up there too. So great look, adds some nice muscle to the side of the vehicle. Now, to finish out the exterior, we're going to look at the back here. This does have the duck wing spoiler back here, this custom spoiler was put on it, of course, painted to match, of course, with the stripes that come up and over that. Rear valance also, that finishes off the body kit over here, painted to match as well back there because the exhaust, instead of being on the back, has been moved to the side, so they have their own custom rear valance back here to go along and finish out the back of it. Now, opening up the trunk, this is where you're going to see that nitrous kit here. So they put it in the trunk for you, and of course that's going to add that 150 horsepower for you, giving you that great performance in this vehicle. Now, inside here is where you're going to see everything come together while you're driving the vehicle. Now, this is a GT Premium pack that this vehicle started with, so you're going to have your black leather seating surfaces in here from the factory. And of course, all your power windows, locks, cruise, leather wrap steering wheel, your climate control 6 CD player with the shaker audio, 1000 sound system. I don't know if you saw that in the back or not, but it has the big subwoofer back there. So it has all the features that came as part of this from the factory. And then also, you're going to see over here on the left side over here on the pillar, you're going to see your booster gauges there, as well as across right where these vents are, these 2 vents in the middle is where you can see your fuel pressure and your nitrous pressure right there, easy to be able to see here. Also, they upgraded the gauges here. You can see your climate control buttons are upgraded to those aluminum finish there. Also, you're going to see the Hurst shifter knob here. So real nice shifter knob. It's the white ball with the black numbers for you. So that's going to be really nice. They also added a push button start. right to the middle in between your information in that traction control buttons there, so you can turn the car on and use the push button start to start the vehicle and hear that nice rumble sound from that exhaust. So it's going to be really nice. Also, right here in the console, in the back cup holder here is where they're going to put those that purge valve and all those settings for your nitrous, as well as right there is your go baby go button there. You just go ahead and flip that up, and now you have your switch ready to go for your nitrous, giving you that other 150 horsepower for this vehicle. So also a couple other things that were put on it. This vehicle was brought over for one of our signings for Jack Roush when they came to the dealership. So you're going to see Jack Roush's signature there on the dash. So that's going to be really nice as well. And they upgraded some really nice premium mats in here too. So you're going to have these nice all-weather mats that go along with it. So 2006 Ford Mustang Cervini Eleanor Edition here at McArthur Ford. Now it does have around 50,000 miles on it. So check this vehicle out on our website. You can go to lawmcarthur.com. Also, you can call or send us a text message at 785-378-5031 if you want to check for the availability to see if this vehicle is still available. So do hurry. This is a one-of-a-kind vehicle, so if you are looking for that one-of-a-kind, they didn't make too many of these Eleanor editions in 2006, so I think you're really going to like it. Again, this is number 8 built, so I think you really like that. So a very one-of-a-kind vehicle. So if you're looking for that one-of-a-kind Mustang, I think this is just the perfect vehicle for you.